Good morning, everyone. Coach Julian here, and today's lesson is going to be the upright row. Now, the upright row focuses on your trapezius and all three deltoids, which is your interior, medial, and your posterior. Now, like usual, I like to go over the steps, and then I'll demonstrate and do several reps for you. Now, the first thing you want to do, as normal, is you want to stand with your feet shoulder width apart. You want to keep the back flat, chest up, and have a common grip that is also about shoulder width apart. Some people like to either go in a little bit or you can either go out, just depends again on what your aim is. Now, you want to make sure that your elbows are pointed outward when you're lifting. Now, using a concentric motion, you're going to pull the elbows up, raising the hands parallel to the shoulder level, which is going to be about a 1 to 2 second lift while exhaling, while exhaling, keeping the core tight, the barbell close to the body, and again with the elbows pointed outwards. You want to make sure that you don't lift above your elbows, but you want to, and some people like to even go a little bit harder, but again, make sure your elbows stay above your hands. Now, using an eccentric motion, you're going to slowly lower the shoulders, the bar down, using exhaling with about a 2 to 4 second direction, following the same path all the way down to your starting position. Now, with that being said, let us demonstrate. Approach the bar, shoulder width apart. Going to bend down, grab the bar, and again, make sure you're lifting with your knees to avoid injury. Simply going to stand up, feet shoulder width apart, neutral spine, and make sure your elbows point out as you lift. Breathing out on your concentric motion, and here we go. Okay, let's go ahead and lower the bar. Again, make sure you lower with your knees so you avoid any back injuries. And with that, my friends, that is our upright row. So I want to thank you for your time. Have a great day and take care.